Hey, it's Matt at Ruffhouse Studios, and welcome to the Blazing Gear review of the Mystica2 Cartridge Vaporizer. Before we get started, I would like to thank the guys at Airis for sending out the Mystica2 and for sponsoring this review. If you'd like to learn more about their products or to purchase, please visit airistechshop.com. Now let's get started. Here's what comes in the box. On the back of the box is the instruction manual for the Airis Mystica. Inside you have the tiny little Mystica unit itself. And then there's an accessories packet in the bottom. It has the two magnetic connectors and the USB ribbon charging cable. Now let's take a closer look at the Airis Mystica. This thing is really tiny. As you can see, it fits right in the palm of your hand. And then at the big port there is for the cartridge to go into. Now keep in mind, these do not include any cartridges. This is for your own pre-filled cartridges or cartridges that you fill up. In the bottom you have the USB charging port. On the side there is a little window for you to look in and see the volume of your cartridge. And then on the front is the logo and the single function button. And as you can see through that little window there, the cartridges slide in, and then if you don't have the ring adapters on there, they won't magnetically stick in there. So those little adapters that come in there are for, it fits 3 different sizes. This is for the smaller size here, but it also has an adapter for the 510 threads that I'll show you in a second, which would probably be the most common here in the US. And see, once you put the ring adapter on there, it just pops right in there, and then it will stick in the bottom there. It's a real nice secure connection at the bottom. And then, like I said, there's the 510 thread adapter, which does a very similar thing. And on this one, there is no cap to close or anything like that, so it really doesn't matter about the length of the cartridge. Pretty much any size cartridge, as long as it fits that diameter, will work in there. Alright, so now we're going to charge it up and take a look at the functions and features. When you charge it, it has a little red ring around the charger, and then it'll turn green once it's fully charged. And this device clicks on with 5 clicks to turn it on, and then you press it 2 times and it'll cycle through its heat cycle. And you can see the colors change there to indicate the place in the cycle that it's at. And then you can end the cycle by pressing it 1 time. And then it has 3 different heat settings that you can scroll through by 3 clicks of the device. And low, medium, and high. And then it'll indicate with the color on the outside which of the heat setting it's on, and then you cut it off with 5 clicks. So it's simple to operate, and it's nice that it has 3 different voltage settings. Alright, so now we're going to jump into the usage and testing. And you can see I'm using this pre-filled cartridge here with the small ring adapter. And then also have a larger cartridge to try out as well. And I tell you, I really was very happy with this device. It's tiny, but I got really good hits. It hits just as good as any of these types of pens. Very compact design. It's easy to use. Big hits. I love the 3 temperature settings. And it's very affordable. So I think it's a really good value entry-level vaporizer. And the cons are that those little connectors are easy to lose. So if you lose those little cartridge connectors, you're in trouble. So make sure you keep up with those. I'm giving it 4 stars. I think it's an excellent little device. And again, I'd like to thank the guys at Airis for sending out the Mystica2 for us to review. And for sponsoring this review, you can check out airistechshop.com to purchase or check out their many, many different products. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please find a like button to hit. And check out ruffhousestudios.com for hundreds of cannabis culture videos made just for you. This is Matt. Thank you for watching.